Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we had the big news that we've been waiting for, and, well, it was exactly what we thought was going to happen. But what really mattered after that is what Powell and his friends had to say afterwards. And what they had to say is that we don't know. We don't know if we're going to raise rates. Everything is going to be data dependent. Now, which data? Well, specifically, he talked about, you guessed it, unemployment. Now, this is going to be a pretty big week. We're having the first Friday of the month of May here. Tomorrow, we have the weekly unemployment. On Friday, we have the unenjoyment report, or at least that's what we used to call it when I was on the trading floor. The unemployment report, and all eyes are going to be on that. Now, Powell said some pretty interesting things. This is the one here. Let's bring that up. Powell says there are no promises, but it's possible we can continue to have labor market cooling without big increases in unemployment. I don't know what that means, but I don't think the market liked it. I think that was probably one of the big clinchers here that drove the market to end up selling off after Powell started talking. So all eyes. So yesterday we talked about how we need to watch the data that's coming out and just trade the numbers. Well, all eyes are going to be on tomorrow's number, but especially on Friday's number, and that's going to set the tone until the next Fed announcement. It was Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.